Hi guys, this is Maddie. Today I'm gonna be teaching you how to cook noodles. I just wanted to say happy birthday, America, happy 4th of July. Thanks for your time, love you guys. Okay, I'm gonna be teaching you how to make milkshake. Okay. So the ingredients you need is ice cream. My favorite is chocolate. You can use whatever kind you want. A blender. And milk. Okay. First, you get a spoon, like an ice cream scooper. Ice cream scooper. And you open the top. Here, you get the ice cream. You start scooping it. I think if you're making a milkshake for one person, I think about 5 scoops maybe. Well, depending on what size they are, like if it's this size, then you should have 10 of them. Here, I'll show you when I'm done. I love milkshakes, and the great thing about them is that they only take like 5 minutes, maybe 7. And I really need some more subscribers. I only have 1. And I just really want to become famous. No, just kidding. I just really want a lot of people to see my videos. Later, in like a week or a month or so, probably a week, I'm then gonna be singing Born This Way by Lady Gaga. And I really sorry, it's kind of hard to see by saying really need more subscribers to make that happen. Okay, about 2 months. Actually, that's enough. I love Friendly's chocolate ice cream. Maybe 1 more. Sorry, it's really hard. So write a comment below about if you made the milkshakes or not, or a video or not. And tell me what your favorite thing about America is. And what your favorite YouTuber is. This is as much you need for either 2 or 1 serving. Okay, now, plug. Now you just put your ice cream away. You really don't want to know. It says melted ice cream really makes a mess, and you want to make sure you clean up. So yeah, like your parents put you out. You if you don't. Good. So, what are you guys doing for the 4th of July? I'm doing sparklers with my mom, and I went swimming with my friends. So I'm not trying to make the time. Now, you don't want to wait too long to pour the milk in here. We're going to do this over here because the plug's over here first. To actually do that. So if you hear a couple rattling sounds, it's just me moving the computer. I have no idea how to upload videos on, so that's why I'm doing it from the computer. Okay. It's gonna be interesting. Okay. It's depending on how much you want. It depends on how much milk you pour. So I'm gonna be pouring half as much because I'm making one for me, but I like to drink 2 servings of it. So I just have a little bit over. Okay. Now you plug this and be very careful. No, I'm not responsible for any electrical stuff. Like if it shocks you while you're making a milkshake, it's because your hands are wet or something. So please be careful. Make sure your hands are dry, but make sure you wash them. I mean, just in case. I know your hands don't actually go in the food, but just you're just gonna spread, you have to put it, mine says high blend, that's what I do, but you always make sure it's on blend, okay? So, I'm gonna push blend, and you do it for like 3 or 4 or 5 seconds. Okay? Then you pick a cup. I like to put it in a mug. I'm gonna be very summertime, like, and pour it. And a sticky cup. I'm gonna pour this over here so I don't get it on the computer. It'd be real shame if I did. I have extras. I'll just drink it later. They will keep in the fridge, but 2 days maximum. It won't be as good. But thanks for watching. Please comment or subscribe or sub, whatever. I wanted to say Happy 4th of July. Thanks for watching.